Okay, we're back. Per my husband's request, you guys got to see this. How strong the wind is blowing in the rains. That's looking down. Let's get another shot over here somewhere. Yeah, you can see those trees moving. Where we thought we saw the last of it, obviously that's not the case. Well, according to Barbaros, this is the strongest part of it.
You're missing the suit. Oh my God, Joe. Look down.
I did look down.
No. Look down right now.
Okay.
Holy smoke.
Yeah, it is pretty brutal, the wind and the rain together. This is a pretty cool shot. You can see the rain whipping off the building into the parking lots.
Cool.
Yeah, well, now that my phone's getting wet, I'm going to go now. Signing off. There's where the beach used to be. Alright, bye.